Welcome to hardengineer.com. I am Varun Patel. In this video, you will learn about walls, PNID and ISO drawing symbols. Please subscribe to my channel because it helps me to increase my reach on YouTube, and you will also get regular updates on new video. You can subscribe right now by just clicking the subscribe button on the right hand side of the screen. Let's start with some generic PNID symbol of the wall. Here in this slide, you can see commonly used symbol for walls. These symbols are generic in nature. For example, first symbol of wall. Now when you see the symbol on the drawing, it just gives you indication that some kind of wall is used. But it will not give you information about the type of wall, whether it is a gate, globe or plug. There are dedicated symbols for gate, globe, plug and ball walls, which I am going to explain you in a minute. Similarly, next two symbols, which are 3-way and 4-way wall, it can be a plug or ball wall. Next two symbols are of the check wall and stop check wall. This check wall can be a swing check or lift check wall. The next symbol is of access flow wall. You can see that it is same as check wall, with only difference is the written text below the wall symbol. You have to be very careful while reading the type of symbol, as it can easily overlook. The last symbol is of automatic recirculation wall. This type of wall is used in a pump discharge line to ensure the pump will not suffer from low inlet pressure, which leads to cavitation. On this slide, the first symbol is of angle wall. In most cases, globe wall is used as an angle wall. Next symbol is of relief wall, that is used to protect the piping system or equipment from overpressure. Now the breather wall is used on the corn roof tank. This wall serves the function of a relief wall and vacuum relief wall. In the event of overpressure, this wall releases the pressure, and in case vacuum is created in tank, this wall allows air to enter the tank, just like breathing air in and out. Vacuum wall prevents damage to the equipment from negative pressure. Pilot operated relief valve are just working like relief valve, but are used for large size piping. In this type, a small relief valve is used to operate the main relief. This arrangement is cost effective in large size relief operation. Now I will explain you the specific wall symbol that use in PNID and isometric drawing. You can learn all this type of wall in detail along with more than 18 types of wall. Purchase my course How to be an Expert in Piping Wall. Link is given in the description. On this slide, you can see the gate wall. Now see the PNID symbol for gate wall. It is the modification of generic wall symbol by inserting a vertical line between two triangles. Three symbols shown below are the gate wall symbol used in isometric drawings. The first is for butt welding ends, second is for flange end wall, and the third one is for socket end connection. For globe wall, symbol is modified by adding a small dark circle. You can see that PNID and isometric symbols are almost same, with only change in end types. Next is ball wall. You can see that there are two PNID symbols for ball wall. The reason is that PNID and isometric drawing symbols are changed from company to company. So if you switch the company, you should be aware of this. Similarly, you can see the ISO symbol for butt, flange and socket ends ball wall. Same as ball wall, needle wall also has a multiple PNID symbol. If you can see that even though these symbols are different, but still you can easily interpret. If you are using a second PNID symbol, your isometric symbol will also be changed accordingly. For plug wall, the first symbol is bit confusing with globe wall. If you remember the symbol of globe wall, it has a dark circle in between the triangle, whereas here only circle outline is there. So when you see this type of symbol, better to double check the drawing. Butterfly wall symbol is the only symbol where full triangle is not used. If you refer the first symbol, it is similar to globe wall, but triangle is not full. Alternative symbol is clearer in this case. For isometric symbol, you can see that there is no socket and butterfly wall. Here is the diaphragm wall. There is no butt welded diaphragm wall available. Most diaphragm wall are flange type and they use to handle a process media with solid particles. On this slide, you can see the symbol with the spatial notes. The first symbol is of spatial wall. The word NC written below the second symbol is more important. It indicates that this wall remained closed during normal operation. Now the next two symbols are also used alternatively to show the valve position during normal operation. The last symbol used to show pressure end of the valve. The side shows the pressure side of the valve. If you want to learn about more than 18 types of valve in detail, you can buy my course How to be an Expert in Piping Valves. Link is given in the description. This is all about PNID and isometric symbols of valves. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my video with your friends. If you want to request a video, write in the comment. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.